Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file for a divorce using an easy method. First, understand that an uncontested divorce is typically much simpler and quicker. This means both parties agree on all terms, like property division and child custody. Begin by gathering crucial documents, including your marriage certificate and recent financial records. Also, ensure you meet your state's residency requirements, which often means living there for at least 6 months to 1 year before filing. Next, you'll need to obtain the necessary divorce forms. These are usually available from your local courthouse clerk's office or can be downloaded from your state's judicial website. Carefully complete every section of the paperwork, providing accurate and truthful information. Double-check everything to avoid delays. Once filled out, file these forms with the court clerk. Be prepared to pay a filing fee, which typically ranges from $100 to $300, depending on your jurisdiction. After filing, you must legally serve your spouse with the divorce papers. This means officially notifying them that you have initiated divorce proceedings. You cannot do this yourself. It must be done by a neutral third party, such as a professional process server, a sheriff's deputy, or sometimes via certified mail with a return receipt. Proper service is a critical legal step, ensuring your spouse is aware of the case and has an opportunity to respond within the specified timeframe, usually 20 to 30 days. Finally, you'll move towards finalizing your divorce. This may involve attending a brief court hearing or mediation session, especially if there are minor disagreements. If you have an uncontested divorce, you will present your signed marital settlement agreement to the judge. The judge will review the agreement to ensure it is fair and legally sound. Once approved, the court will issue a final divorce decree, which is the official document that legally ends your marriage. Congratulations, you've completed the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.